guys, so what we got next is really something else. We're super excited for this. The Odyssey is going to be amazing with it. YouTube gives us some cool opportunities to where we can work with like super high quality companies who have like years of racing heritage. One of these companies is DG. They make expansion pipes, heads, just basically they start with like Elsinores and stuff, CR125s, just with racing and all of that. They make a bunch of Odyssey stuff, so be sure to check them out. We're gonna have links in the description. One of these things is this FL250 expansion pipe. So as you can see, it's completely nickel plated, has the DG printed right here. It's just absolutely a beautiful piece, hand welded. I mean, this is just like high quality stuff that you can't get anywhere else. I mean, and it's pretty affordable considering what you're getting. This thing is going to turn the Odyssey into an absolute beast. So we're super excited. Let's get this thing installed. Dude, that drop was fresh.
Okay, so we got the head pipe, and we're just gonna attach it to like the main pipe. Got some springs.
Yeah, all this comes with it, so it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Damn,
and then we just got 2 more.
I mean, the Odyssey looks good right now, but once it gets some shiny on there.
I mean, that part's really cool. The DG logo.
Time for the main event.
Yeah, here she is. Coming in. New hardware as well.
Oh yeah.
Everything looks great. Okay guys, so the rubber isolators are on.
Got it all shined up.
Man, new hardware and everything. This looks, I mean, this is something else, guys. I can't wait till the Odyssey's out on the trails ripping around. I mean, this is just the finishing touch right here. So glad we went with nickel plated. Oh, that's gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
And this one's not gonna be cracking in half anytime soon, so that's awesome. Installed, looks so good. I mean, yeah. We just kind of cut the video here because we're super eager to ride it, and just like, it's a super easy install. I mean, there's only 2 bolts you have to bolt down. And so, I mean, this thing is totally solid. We just used some like rubber isolators in there, so cool. I mean, everything's pretty much ready to go. I'm excited to hear this thing fire up and just how it runs. I bet you it's gonna be a little bit leaner, which is exactly what we need for this thing to run better, so let's get to it. Flip the choke. Jason's just putting it around, letting it warm up and stuff. That DG pipe sounds good. I mean, it's hard to tell with the wide angle how fast stuff is going, but there was a huge power increase. We would love to do like a, before and after video, but unfortunately we didn't really, the exhaust broke as you guys saw. But I mean, dang, it doesn't seem to be breaking up that much or anything. Like, it seems good. There's a nice trail of smoke. It seems to be running really well, and it hauls. So, pretty sweet. Dang, that sounds good. DG knows what's up with that. So, like we said earlier, I mean, links for this pipe's in the description. It's pretty cool. Just working with a company with so much racing heritage and stuff. So, I mean, awesome. I think this kind of completes the Odyssey, and all future videos are basically probably just gonna be ripping it and having a bunch of fun. I definitely like to put it up against a rally cart, stuff like that, you know? That thing falls. That thing's a bounce house.
Wow, this thing, this like actually feels like how it should be. Like I've heard Odysseys are like incredible, and this thing really like probably 50% increase in like power.
Wow, really?
I mean, we didn't even tune it yet. Like we might be able to lean it up a little bit more, and it like might sound and be a lot healthier and be better. But I mean, this thing's, I mean, it drifted like.
No, I
this
saw,
thing's amazing.
man. That's crazy. And she looks
It's a huge, yeah. It looks amazing, and it works so much better.
It's awesome.
I'm impressed.
Dang, I'm so glad to hear that. Because we've been, you know how it's been. We've been fighting this Odyssey, trying to get it running good. It's you know, it's been like 80% there, but now I think this has what it takes to get to hundo.
Okay, now it's Daniel's turn.
Yeah, buddy.
There we go. This thing also starts up way better. So if you can't tell from before, adding the DG pipe actually made it a ton faster than having no exhaust at all, which is kind of surprising, but I mean, I guess the reverberation inside the expansion chamber is like, it really helps the power. Way higher top speed. Dude, I pulled out the spark plug and it still ran.
What the heck?
Is that like compression or something? Dude, look, wait, okay, I'll show you a video. So I don't know what the heck happened, but the kill switch was hanging like this. I mean, just dangling there, and it kept running. So maybe it's just a super high compression engine. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, and the brakes on this thing suck. Like
Basically no brakes at all.
yeah, like they're good at first, then it's like immediate brake fade and they're gone. And then the kill switch stopped working. But it probably had something to do with the fact that the engine was running with the spark plug out. So maybe you have to hold the kill switch for a really long time when the engine's warmed up.
That's weird.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you DG. Be sure to check him out, links are in the description. I mean, this thing probably, like, we've never really felt what this thing, because I know like how two-strokes feel in the power band when they're really hauling from our KT karts, and I never really felt this thing on this yet. But now with the DG pipe, this thing, I can feel power band. Your heart goes into your throat. I mean, it's insane. So thank you, DG. I mean, if you're looking to make your Odyssey into a beast, or you're having issues with it running too lean because your expansion pipe's totally trashed like ours was, be sure to check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Also, thank you Go Power Sports. All the tires, stuff like that is up on these things. Seat, belt, snorkel, tubing, stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and see ya when the Odyssey's ripping with some other stuff we have.